If you like what you see, like and subscribe to my OnlyFans page. Does everything I do here.
With your butthole out.
That's my other link.
Oh, okay. All right. Hey, why does it look like a 7-year-old put these stickers on?
Because I am. What you mean about you little females?
I'm the little female.
Wow, bacon wrapped.
He said perfection. Why would Nina get a food truck?
Because she
is a good ass cook.
More copyright bullshit.
Back in the day when you got a haircut, be like, oh, you got your ears.
I think that's like an East Coast thing.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's an East Coast thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Probably, I don't know.
Ready? We grilling.
Wow. What are you doing today, bro? Other than nothing. We gotta get ready for this weekend.
Oh no, I'm not sponsored by these guys.
Kirkland.
Like their water.
Damn fool.
Pour to the hay. Can I get a heart? Can I get a hay? Can I get a heart? Can I get a hay? Can I get a heart? Can I get a hay? Pour hay. Hey, do you have a...
God, Scotch Brite.
Bro, he's out of pocket. Hey fool.
Bitch ass. They're trying to put me on spine.
Scotch Brite?
Like a...
Scotch Brite, that looks like you cleaned some paint with it, dude. No. No.
I got fresh Scotch Brite.
I think the onion's probably good enough. Onion and heat, fool.
It doesn't matter.
You think
Just leave it alone.
Yeah, onion and heat.
It's a grill.
I'm doing it all that because I thought you little females were gonna say something.
What you mean about you little females?
I'm the little female.
No, it's Daniel the little female.
You turn the heat all the way up and incinerate all the bad vibes, dog. Damn, everybody got haircuts around this bitch.
No, it's about a week old, but you know you disappear
Mine's
for a week.
a week old too.
Daniel's like, don't take my time! You can't take my valve caps off!
Oh my!
40 pounds of pressure!
Hey Nina! Hey Nina!
Hey! Surprise!
Yeah, I feel his pain with the copyright bullshit.
First of all, copyright. Copy and right.
Do you know in the last 5 videos, 2 of them have copyrights?
From what?
Background music.
Who cares about background music?
Apparently, the communists.
We ain't charging so you can hear my background music.
Listen, the communists at YouTube don't like background music.
Oh, maybe you gotta get a better mic. What's that, the fuzzball?
Hey, why does it look like a 7-year-old put these stickers on?
Because I am.
A couple bubbles, bud. He said you should clean it with brake cleaner.
I want to know what's up with this whole onion thing. This is news to me.
It's like full paisa.
He is paisa.
It's a theory.
Yeah.
It's a theory.
No, it's not a theory. I think it works too.
You can actually do it with lemon too.
You could do it with anything, really. Rub a banana on there.
I don't know why I always listen to this song. Now we're going to get copyrighted. Listen to this song over and over again. Oh my God.
I like it.
Shit, wow, bacon wrapped. Down, fool.
Can't rush perfection, blood.
Down, fool. Blood?
Blood. Hey, blood. Blood clot.
Blood clot.
What's this fool doing?
Go look at him. He's watching nerdy F1 shit. Look at him. Okay.
You can't rush perfection, baby.
He said perfection.
Matter of fact, you can't even have none now.
I'm going to eat all this mother.
More copyright bullshit.
Today.
When is it not windy though? Like late.
Yeah. Let me see how the meat's doing.
Hey, bro, chill out, brother.
That's done. McDonald's, Burger King, take note.
Chef George is here. Is Nina gonna get a food truck? I think she should do it.
Why would Nina get a food truck?
Because she's a good ass cook. Hey, it's brother.
She is a good ass cook. But I'm not buying a food truck. Maybe. Maybe.
I mean, why not, right?
I don't know if she
Dude,
wanted
the
to.
baby can run the register?
The baby can run the register. Listen to this mother. We ain't never gonna make money. I can see Evie.
It's fine.
No,
My dad will pay for it.
No, Daddy will not pay for it. Daddy pays for enough.
The first flip, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, look, it's Brother Brian.
Brother Daniel.
What's up, brother? Long day at work or what?
Always.
Clocking in, second shift.
Never. Clock in, never out. Brother Brian in the house. It's Brother Nina.
It's Nina. Sister Nina.
Okay.
It's a little forward in your head, on your head, bro. You have like no forehead. What's the story with this line, George?
We have somebody living in the container.
It's a meat locker?
Yeah.
George's retarded son. You ever seen the people under the stairs?
Oh, okay.
That's different.
That's so that they don't overheat. They got a little air conditioner in there.
Wow.
A nice haircut.
Yeah.
Beard
Yeah,
cut.
that was fast. I feel fast.
Why do you say lowered your ears? That doesn't make sense to me.
Because you ain't old enough.
I'm old as you.
How old are you?
You're older than me by like 4 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Old
Back in the
man.
day when you got a haircut, be like, oh, you got your ears.
I have
lowered.
I think
Get
that's
your
like an
hair
East Coast thing.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's an East Coast thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Probably. I don't know.
All right, so here are the char burgers.
Extra crispy.
Oh, you got the provolone? Oh, that's a pro move there.
Are you wearing gloves you just worked on a transmission with or something? Yeah. Adds flavor. A little bit of ATM.
Ah!
Never heard of that?
He got it.
May on their toes.
Glizzy God.
Getting that glizzy. Oh,
Thank you, Chef Jeffery. What's your rank on this, George?
Midnight.
Oh, wow. Aren't you gonna get your protractor out? Oh, look at it. It's Arts and Crafts Day with George.
so. We can go over. Right here. I was like, what is this?
Wow, look at that.
Don't get past this. So go like this,
So the
up,
corner of the
over,
bumper.
and then stay on the inside of this line so we can bolt on that over piece that goes there.
Why don't you put this in the shop?
Hey, nobody asked you.
How rude.
I'd rather cut outside.
Oh yeah, cool.
You
Sick.
like
Damn, he really threw it.
that? Fantastic living in Vegas. You die from the heat. You get sandblasted every day from the wind. How many days is it windy out the air? 362.
You gotta take it off again?
Well, I just
Take what off?
My underwear.
Gay!
Action.
And time lapse. Supposed to go to the time lapse, but we keep on talking and Jeffrey still hasn't done shit.
In my...
This is how you smuggle the new type of. That's a whole.
Holy
That's all cocaine.
crazy. That's a crazy amount of Bondo. How is there that much Bondo when there's a big ass dent too?
Bro, could you imagine? Look how much Bondo's on there, bro. You got some cake.
Dude, look at how much.
Look at that. Look how much it was originally pushed in. Filler in there. Look at that. That's the original metal. And that's how much filler put in.
We see. Can listen to music. Look at my air.
Told you, he's the music Nazi.
Look at my earphones real quick. Copyright.
Rawr, I'm a dinosaur. That's why he's got.
Extension cord right there! There's slack underneath the thing, dildo.
I know. I was testing you.
Oh man, that wheel looks like it's about to go flying. I'm pulling back. Dude, show me your finger.
Where's the alcohol?
How is this not bleeding? Are you Wolverine?
No. I'm Batman. Why you have to kill him? I'm not Batman. Have some? The ones that are in there. It should be brand new. You should have a brand new set.
The gold ones you were trying to sell.
Golds are 19, sir.
It's too big.
Yeah, but they are. They're
won't
like
fit.
straight up.
Let me see what you got.
Drag radials. Yo, look at who does this? Jeffrey does this. I'm gonna use it.
Use it. Use me while you're there.
What the hell is even that?
He's not gonna use
That was sus.
I told you, I'm gay. He's happy. What happens when you hang around George?
Who Dude, we can't. No, that's not funny. Still gonna use it.
You got here late. You got here talking about I have all this shit to do. And now like a sippy cup. What's in that cup, George?
Water.
Oh, station. All right. I believe you.
Just water.
I said, why you look so sad?
We ain't got no steers.
This is
We ain't got no steers.
See that haircut? That means you got paid. Damn.
No.
Spread the love.
When you spread money, that means you're
Spread
broke.
the love, tell them. Yeah, I didn't see
Hey,
that.
I'll spread the love for him. I want you to see. Let's see how quickly he reacts. Hey, by the way, I'm doing you a favor. Your shop's flooded. Spread the love.
Thanks, Daniel.
what?
It's you.
I didn't even touch it.
Can't blame Brian. He's got his glasses. We're cutting it out.
Cutting it out?
Yeah.
It doesn't unbolt. Oh, it's welded to the cage. Why would they do that?
I didn't put that stupid in there. Like, who's like, oh, let's just open the sunroof halfway and then weld it to the cage. Brilliant.
Sorry.
And he dropped the shit.
He said. Nina, this was not me.
Damn, that's a...
Why
Damn.
are you talking to her? I'm the one that paid for them.
Well, you know what?
limited edition cup.
I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty gay.
Whatever. Whatever. Fine. Fuck.
Why even take that out? Now, if it rains, it's gonna rain on you.
Man.
God damn!
Call the wife. This is why we can't have nice things.
Look at what Jeffrey did.
He dropped my sippy cup. Jeffrey Dahmer.
So angry. Hey, dude, no, check this out. Look, I'm about to help you. Look, it's clear now.
Maybe I liked it, okay?
Bolt it back up and let it sit. Giant mess to cut this thing out.
Yeah.
Like giant mess.
There'd be metal shavings all in all of the seats.
It's not that. I can't have sparks like that flying around these seats. They will ignite.
Wow.
I do not if I approve.
Huh? I go everywhere, I know it.
Oh, let me guess, George. You lost your keys.
They're in the shop. I'm so sick of walking back and forth.
Help me! What's next,
I'm
event-wise?
losing my mind. What?
What is it up next
thanks.
for us? Oh, what's...
We are going to go drifting at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway.
Oh, he's got 100 octane in there.
Holy shit, this is heavy. Saturday.
Well,
according to a
no,
flyer.
it's not. It's not on Saturday. It's on Sunday. But
Yeah, joke's
this
on
video
you
is going to
guys.
be live on Sunday, and then we'll be making another video on Sunday.
Joke's on you guys, but we'll be there Sunday.
If you like what you see, like and subscribe. To my OnlyFans page! That was everything I do here.
With your butthole out.
That's my other link.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I guess that's it, folks.
Yep. We out. Bye.